Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will discuss about how to remove search history and delete Instagram suggestion when you're typing. Before we get started, please subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell for you to get notified to our latest videos. So without further ado, let's now begin. Simply tap on Instagram application here, wait for some second. Simply tap on search bar, tap on it. You can see these are my suggestions. Simply go back from here and tap on profile icon. Tap on three line top right corner. Tap on your activity. Scroll down. Tap on recently searches. So these are my suggestions. Simply tap on clear. Go back. Tap on three line again. Tap on setting. Tap on help. And tap on report a problem. Turn off from here. You can see here, tap on don't include and continue. And simply write your problem from here. Dear Instagram, please delete my suggestions from Instagram when I'm typing. Simply tap on send. I hope your problem will be solved after deciding. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.